Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Ebis Hernandez, and it's day 3 of our adventure in Iceland. So far, we went hiking on a glacier, we went walking through some ice caves to get a perfect pic inspired by Sorella Moore. We saw the Ice Lagoon, Diamond Beach, and some amazing waterfalls. And today, we're going to continue to explore this beautiful country. I'm linking up with my plug, Dave the Guide. He's been helping me plan the trip since the beginning, and his insight has been magnificent. He's going to take me to the Reykjanes Peninsula so I can get the perfect pic inspired by Arnar Kristjansson. But first, he came to scoop me up in his Jeep Wrangler and is about to take me to go snorkeling in between the continents. On the road, I got a quick lesson in Icelandic.
Mona. I'm going to meet Mona is Hitta Monu. So you don't say Mona anymore. So you are changing always the name.
Changing somebody's name. Wow. So like, how would you say Ebis then?
You would say Ebis.
Okay.
You know? But if I was going to visit you, like I'm going to New York to visit Ebis, I would say ég að fara til New York að hitta til Ebisar. So like an AR at the end to Ebis, but it's like til Ebisar. So it's like it's so weird because you have those four like from to how and whatever, man. I'm not a grammatics guy, you know. I only speak 8 languages, you know, but none correctly grammatical.
Wow, I'm never gonna learn this language. I felt like I got the basics of how to say thank you, hello, I love you, you're beautiful. Wow, that tastes amazing. I could do it in French, I could do it in Thai, I could do it in Spanish, but I do not think I'm gonna get this Icelandic tongue down at all. But you know what? Godin dagya to you.
Whatever that means.
Right now, we're headed to Silfra, an underwater rift where the North American tectonic plate and European tectonic plate are separated. I'm literally about to go swimming in between continents.
Just got my under dry suit.
So you wear like a warm layer of clothes on the bottom, then you put on the suit, which is even warmer, and it's tight as hell, and that's what's gonna save you from the elements.
I think it was snorkeling in some glacier water. It's -3 degrees.
Which is 26 degrees Fahrenheit, but I definitely thought it was 3 degrees Fahrenheit.
I'm ready. How you feeling, buddy?
Can't breathe.
I'm having trouble breathing these things. They're really tight to make sure that the water doesn't go through. Whew.
My son wasn't 100% sold on swimming in glacier water, but after some words of encouragement from Marcus from the Troll Expedition staff, pushed him over the edge, and he wanted to be the first one in the water. Thank you for that, brother.
Yeah, this water's freezing. But it feels good. I feel like alive. Rejuvenated.
This might be the clearest water on Earth, as you can see 300 meters down in some spots. You don't have to worry about sinking into this abyss, as your suit has air in between all those layers, and it won't let you go down. There's a small current that pushes you along the path, and there's one part where you need to stay to the left, because the current could push you to the ocean. It sounds scary, but it was really easy. And at the end of the tour, there's hot chocolate waiting for you. A little pre-game before the turn up tonight. You know, I've been dying to say this since I bought it, but release the Kraken. Alcohol is expensive in Iceland. I would suggest buying bottles at the duty-free for sure. So you go on vacation with a PlayStation? You're that kid.
What are you talking about? I did stuff all day.
Yeah, we saw what he was doing. A lot of sleeping. I guess swimming between continents counts as something. I wanted to take us out to dinner, but he was intent on room service and I wasn't with it. So I left and I linked with my new friends that I met on the excursion the day before. All right, so I'm just getting to this restaurant called Fraka. And Ashley and the boys from the excursion recommended it. They're in fact eating in there. I'm about to meet up with them. And I'm running late. I asked them to pre-order for me. So I ordered some catfish and some onion soup. So hopefully it tastes good. Let's see. As soon as I walked in, right on time. I'm never late. I'm always on time. Look at that. Actually wasn't onion soup. They wound up ordering me some kind of like clam soup. Ashley just gave me a piece of horse. He's eating pork.
Eating horse. Nay, motherfucker.
My son's gonna be mad at me.
He's not well anyway.
He was right.
Dragon was actually eating well, and I couldn't do it. I don't know. But we had some great convo, and Dragon actually didn't speak English, so Charlie was translating Mandarin for us. It comes in handy, wow.
Very handy. I did not think of all the languages that would be useful in Iceland, fucking Mandarin. I'm more of an English native speaker.
Yeah, so we just got to Dragon's Hotel. We're gonna pregame, have some drinks, cause Icelandic people don't start partying for real till 1 o'clock in the morning, and I love you for that.
With your Aussie boys.
Cheers, boys.
Skål.
Cheers.
Skål. As they say in Iceland, skål.
Kampai.
We're not very intelligent. We have really,
But we enjoy
really true drinking.
So for example, we like to drink with Charlie because Charlie is our mate. And when we drink with Charlie, he gets it down in 10, 7, 6. Champion.
So he beats it. He beats it. He doesn't even need the countdown. He's a vet.
No, but listen, man, we're having a great time, great conversation. This is one of my favorite things about traveling is meeting new energy and just exploring and like just chilling with each other, you know, just building with each other. You forge new friendships. People say they have issues or they're scared to travel alone. I'm asking you, please embrace the solo journey, because you will show up somewhere and you will not leave alone. You will not be by yourself the whole time. You know, just embrace positive energy and you will make new friends and have friends all over the world.
So these motherfuckers got like a whole little strip out here. Like this shit lit out here. Oh, they went to Kiki Bar. Okay. I just walked into a spot called Kiki's. Let's see what this shit look like. I lost my homies, but they came in here, I think.
I still couldn't find my buddies, but I made new friends. Let's get it. Hey! I literally went bar hopping down this strip to all the spots I could go to.
I'm drinking Reykjavik, but she never drank it.
So that's like the national drink, and it's supposed to be like, I guess, nasty, and it was supposed to put me on my ass, but she don't know I'm a booze brother, so that was light work. I wound up meeting the owner of the club, and he bought me a couple rounds before I hit up the next spot. Oh man, the love is real out here. I love Iceland.
Come here. Iceland got a live scene and it's just popping. I actually can't believe I'm leaving, but I'm leaving. So yeah, hey baby, let's get it. Think big, live large.
Thank God the sun takes forever to rise in the winter in Iceland, because it gave me enough time to sleep and be energized for the next day. Dave the guy scooped me and we made it to the Reykjavik Peninsula.
This is crazy. Look at this shit.
Yo, what's good, man? Yo, so we just arrived at the rock that brought me all the way to Iceland, and
I'm about to get some photos of it. I'm gonna fly my drone. There's these amazing waves that are just like crashing on the rocks. This shit is like next level, bro. Let's go down that way. What happened? Oh yeah, for sure. There's no question about it. So the thing is with the photos, I'll get the shot that they did, but like I don't always try to like get the same exact shot, you know? So it's like they'll inspire the trip, but like, you know, I'll get my own angle, you know? Whenever I can, if it's possible. Oh shit, David, this shit is crazy. Wow, those waves look fucking crazy. We were actually a little nervous about one of them being able to come hit us where we were. So we didn't spend too much time over there. I'm all about safety first on these trips. Out here making moves to get this shot, man. This was, I felt safe the whole entire time. I'm like, I could climb these rocks. Because if it was like really dangerous, I wouldn't do it. I don't do it for the gram like that. That's why I got a drone. So, don't be dying for these pictures, people. And look at this garbage. Why there's garbage here? Pick up your fucking garbage, guys. One of my favorite aspects of the Perfect Pic is getting to a location and seeing what's outside the frame. So when I look to the left of this original shot and it's this massive cliff structure with waves, that's just amazing. That's what this is all about to me. The original photos that I took of the rock that brought me here aren't as grand as the ones that inspired me to come over here, and that's okay. You know, I got location catfished. I thought the rock was way bigger than what it actually was, but I should have did more research. What's going on there is called the compression effect, where a zoom lens makes something look bigger than what it is. So he probably had like a 400 to 500 millimeter lens, and that's a lot of money that I didn't have. So I could not recreate that photo in that moment, but I was still able to capture a perfect pic. Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy Ebis Hernandez, and I'm out here in Iceland. I just finished taking the perfect pic. I want to thank Arnar Kristjansson for inspiring this trip. Your photo was amazing. You make me feel like how small man is compared to nature, and that photo brought me to Iceland, and I'm experiencing it firsthand. There's nothing like this in my life. I feel like I'm in a different planet right now, and I literally got this whole site to myself. I'd like to thank everybody who helped me. Sarah Cunningham helping me pick out my clothes. Mandy for introducing me to my boy David, the guide who got all the plugs in Iceland. His tours have been amazing. And yeah, man, my name is Ebis Hernandez. I took a trip to get the perfect pic, and I did it. Enjoy running around Iceland with me. If you like the video, like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, let me know where you think I should go next. Alright guys? Remember, think big, live large. Peace.